Well, this is it, the moment of truth. I wanted this radio just for this moment right here. Beach activation with my Guohetec PMR-171. Early morning here on the Atlantic coast. Sun's coming up now, so this is going to be a fun one. I don't know if band conditions are that great. Who cares? I'm on the beach. There's a storm. It's gone away. It's a beautiful morning. It's cool. It's a little crisp here for August. It feels nice. We'll see how it goes, but my Guohetec PMR-171, this is why I wanted this radio with the battery attached to it. This is it, the whole thing right here. I'm putting up an antenna, and we're going to get on and see how this thing performs. Stick around. And here's my setup as we wait for the sun to rise. Got everything. Here's my nice little lawn chair there. The blue bucket with the PMR-171 on it. I did bring along my antenna analyzer and tool in my iPad for logging. And here's the antenna. Sweet and simple. Just a 17-foot or what we call a little 5-meter telescopic whip. I'll go and show you that in a second. But there we go. There is the Guohetec PMR-171. I do have a choking it at this end, 1-to-1 choke, about 5 meters of coax. We'll go down here to, there's a ground radio plate and a feed point there, the little red slug feed point. I have 4 counterpoise out into the wet sand. The tide's coming in, so by the time I get through, the water may be up on the top of these, but that's why I did it that way. But there it is. There's the antenna. I've trimmed it, and it is resonant on the 20-meter band. So we're going to see if we can work some 20-meter band this morning. This is also a POTA Park US 1299. If I can't work any DX because of band conditions, I very well may just spot myself and activate POTA. But there we go. There's the antenna. Let's fire up the radio and get going.
Oscar Golf Oscar, is that right?
QSL, the name is Walt Whiskey Alpha Lima Tango. I'm 20 watts portable on the beach in Virginia on the Atlantic coast.
Oh yeah, very good. I've spoken to you on quite a few occasions. 23, 24, 25 in the 6th month of 25, so not that long ago. But good to hear you, Walter. Thanks very much for the call. Kilo Golf Oscar Golf Oscar, Victor Kilo 6 Juliet Delta Whiskey. You're 5 and 6, 56, Walter, over.
Roger that. You're a beautiful signal here, 5'9". You've been 5'9" all morning listening in there. Hey, thanks for taking the call. Good to make the contact here. Like I said, just 20 watts. I have a telescopic vertical whip trimmed, tuned for a quarter wave here, and I'm about 5 meters from the ocean, right on the ocean by the salt water there. Good to make contact with you there, Neville.
Yeah, Roger, Walter. Well, the ocean probably a great deal, because I just looked at the meter and you peaked on a 5 and 9. It's a good solid 5.7 most of the time, but you peaked up on a 5.9. A lot of QSP today. But thanks very much for the call. Great signal for 20 watts and the portable antenna near the beach. Thanks very much, and 7-3, Walter, all the best. Okay, here at the Park station there, go ahead.
Yeah, Kilo 4, Oscar Golf Oscar at US 1299. Paul, how you doing this morning?
Hey, Walt, how you doing this morning? I got you about 5 there, 5 there, Roger?
Roger that. You're 5'7" here on the beach in Virginia Beach at Park US 1299. I heard you down there on the Southern Cross, and I was hoping I'd catch you when you activated there. Good to make contact with you, my friend.
Okay, Roger that. They got your part number, US 1299. Good luck to your activation this morning, Roger?
Roger. Have fun. Good to see you, Paul. Have a great one, man.
Roger that. You too, 73.
70. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf. Oscar.
Kilo 4 again?
Kilo 4, Ocean. Germany, Ocean.
Kilo 4, Ocean, Germany, thank you, 59.
Yeah, you are 59. It's Ocean, Germany, Ocean, K4OGO.
We're doing it at the start, and then USB just kicked in, totally white too. Thanks for the short one, Walt. Hopefully we'll pick it up later when band improves. K4OGO from EI2 HPV.
Hey, thanks. 73. Have a great day. The reason I wanted this radio, self-contained, 20 watts, battery, everything, shack in the box, was for this right here. To come out on this beach and do what I just did. And man, am I pleased. I'm happy with the Guohetec PMR-171. Great radio. You're going to see a whole lot more of this radio on this channel for sure, because it's what I wanted. This is my wave surfing machine for the beach, and what I needed it for, what I wanted it for, and why I really wanted this radio. It's the radio I've been searching for. Everything's in it. Plus the bands that I don't even use, them getting ready to start using. I've got some antennas for 2 meters and 70 centimeters. This thing can be plugged in any computer. You can program memory in it, put channels, tones, everything else for 2 meters for VHF and UHF. I'm going to do that, start hitting some repeaters with it. You'll see that on the channel soon, but shack in a box right here on the beach. Everything I wanted it to be, it is. Sound, it's not great, it's not bad, it's not perfect, but it sounds good enough for what I want. Hey, it's a portable pack radio. I think this thing's really meant for headsets and headphones. Maybe I'll do that as well, because then it wouldn't get so much of the surrounding noise as well. But overall, not bad at all. I'm happy with it, and it did what I wanted it to do. It was a great morning out here on the beach with, the simplest of antennas, just a telescopic whip trimmed for a quarter wave vertical. It did its job. It did its job well. I'm pleased with it. And I'll put a link below to where you can find this radio if you're going to do some more research on it, maybe even get it. I like it. I'm very happy with it. And like I said, you're going to see some more of this on my channel. Hey, if you're into stuff like this, man, operating portable, especially by the beach, this is what I do mostly. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Salty Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.